If you're a coach, course creator, and membership owner, you need a growing email list. But let's be real, everybody knows that getting quality leads is so expensive and also exhausting. What if I tell you you can actually increase subscribers to hundreds or even thousands without paying any ads, meaning you generate them organic for free? Too good to be true, right? Stick around, I'm going to break it down for you. Hello, welcome back. This is Vanessa Choi. I help coaches, course creator, and membership owner to increase their online visibility. Today, we're going to dive into the most powerful but underrated list building strategies. It's actually through bundles and summits. So before we jump in, let's talk about why it is crucial to build your email list. For example, if you post on social media, you always need to follow the algorithm. It changes daily, it changes all the times. If you've been doing social media for the last couple of years, and you will know how many changes already when they change the algorithm, when they actually change the chart strategies, you just have to adapt and you have to keep up. But with your email list, it's actually under your control because it is your list. You have control over whether you want to email them daily, whether you want to email them once every week, or even once every 2 weeks. It's all under your control because it is your list. You own them. But with social media, you don't actually own social medias, and also you don't actually own your audience. If one day they change your algorithm, you probably won't be able to reach your audience as much as before, which is what's happening at the moment. So building your own email list is very crucial if you are doing online business, if you are online coaches, course creator, membership owner, or even solopreneurs. Then next, I'm going to break it down. What is the difference between summits and bundles? Virtual summits is more like online conferences. So you will have different speakers speaking on a specific topic in their niche. So attendees usually get the presentation for free, or now they will require a small amount of fee to actually for you to get the replay. So if attendees can't attend live, they pay a small fee and then can access to replay indefinitely. So they don't have to watch it straight away. They can actually save it and then you'll get access. And what is your role? You basically share a presentation in your niche, the topic you want to share with your audience. And then if the attendees are interested in your topic, they basically just exchange their email to get the presentation delivered in their inbox. With bundles, we usually refer to digital products. So what are digital products? Usually they are courses, mini courses, workshops, checklist templates. So you share those with your ideal audience. If your ideal audience is interested in what you share, again, they exchange for the email. Usually the contributor will share the resources for free, or sometimes, again, it's very low ticket to actually minimize the objection for people to sign up. Usually bundles, a lot of them are free. And then the interested party will actually sign up, exchange their email, and get the free resources into that inbox. So both of them, whether the summits or bundles, are very, very similar. So in both cases, you're actually tapping into the audience already interested in your offer, or this is more like a joint effort from different contributors. So they will share the bundle or summit with their warm audiences. So you're actually also tapping into others' audiences, not just your own. And that is very powerful. So you actually expand your network to not just your warm audiences, but also other people's warm audiences. That's how you actually build up the list. This gives you instant exposure to massive audiences without paying a single penny. And when you are featured in summits or bundle, straight away you gain the credibility. People actually see you as an authority, so you get them on your list for free, and then later on, they might be interested in your offer. since the attendees who are actually actively looking for offer, so you are not targeting the cold audience. They are ready to buy and they are not random email subscribers. They're actually ready to buy your offer. And the more bundles and summits you join, the bigger your list will grow. But of course, at the end of the day, it's also down to what you actually offer. So still make sure you have what your ideal customer wants. You're not just throwing in like a random checklist or random courses. Definitely spend some time in your offer. You have the list now, but make sure you also have a good offer. Okay, now you're convinced. Then your next question is actually how to actually get feature in summits and bundles, right? So number one, make sure you find the right events. What you can do is you can go to Facebook group and actually search collaborations or summits or bundles. Make sure you look at the group, whether the group is actually aligned with what you offer, whether they are aligned with your values. I have to say, not all summits and bundle are created equally. So you have to understand the group, whether the group have your ideal clients, whether you can actually leverage with other people's audiences. So do some research before you actually join. Number two, pitch yourself. So you are ready to have a couple of topics to pitch. Again, it depends on the summit and bundle. Make sure you aligned with their objective. And also, people are always looking at high value contributors. So make sure you share your expertise and also your past experiences. But now a lot of bundle hosts or summit hosts, they already got a form, very detailed form to actually fill in with your expertise, what you want to share, what's the topic, how you're going to deliver, how much it's going to be, and are you going to offer for free, for example. So a lot of the forms is actually help you to pitch yourself. Number three, create a high value freebies. As I talked about it before, make sure your offer is truly irresistible. So whether you offer mini courses or checklists or templates, make sure that is what your audience truly wants. Number four, engage and convert. When they first opt into your email list, don't let them go cold. Make sure you have your welcome sequence ready to go. Definitely automate it. So what I'm going to do to help you is I'm going to share you with a welcome sequence, which is down below the comment. You should see that welcome sequence. Make sure you have them automated. It will definitely help you to welcome your new email subscribers. And then you can nurture them and then sell them the offer they truly can't resist. If you have been struggling to grow your list, virtual summits and bundle is definitely a good starting point for you. Let me know in the comment, have you ever joined a virtual summit or bundle? Are you planning to join one? And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to share more strategy with you. And I will see you in the next one.